Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I will be doing a get ready with me for this look using my current favorite products. If you're interested, stay tuned. Okay loves, so I am starting off with the Milk Hydro Rub Primer. I will say I really enjoy this primer. It's really good. The hype is real on this. It's very moisturizing and gripping. On top of that primer, I'm going to take my favorite, all-time favorite, Makeup Forever Foundation Ultra HD in Y535. I love this shade. I love the coverage. I love the finish of this foundation. It's one of my holy grails, hands down. Making sure I'm blending that foundation everywhere. Then I will go in with this liquid highlighter by Flesh. I've really been loving glowy skin, luminous skin lately. Nothing too matte, and this is a great product. For concealers, I am using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealers in Deep Olive and Deep Cinnamon. I like to combine the two. They're just a perfect shade for me. I love the finish of this concealer. It's satin. It does dry down quick. I love how affordable this concealer is. It's a really good concealer for $6. Just gonna blend that out. Look at that. Then I'm gonna take concealer for contour. This is the Revlon True Match Super Blendable and Deep. I love this shade and it just looks good underneath my bronzers. Been using that for years. Next up, I'm going to set the highlighted areas with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in medium dark. I really fell back in love with this powder. It's a super good drugstore option for loose powder. My all-time favorite is Dermablend, but this definitely is up there. I'm just going to wipe that bake off. Then I'm going to go in and bronze my face up with the Fenty Mocha Mami bronzer. I love how warm this bronzer is. Gets that melanin popping, sun kissed all day long. Love it. For blush, I'm using La Femme in Redwood and Sienna. And then I'm going to set my whole face with Dermablend, just a little bit on that big brush, just to smooth everything in. Then I'm going to take a Max Fix Plus. I forgot how much of a water geyser with that nozzle is on that. Then I'm going to take my current favorite highlighter, the Nabla Lucent Jungle. This just gives such a nice glow. It does have glitter in it. And I've been loving just putting a little under my eyes lately. For the eye look, I am using the James Charles palette. I'm just trying to use this palette as much as I can since I have it. This is the color Mary. And I'm just pressing that color on the lid as well. And just making sure everything's blended out. And then I'm going to take a dark brown. I'm going to leave the specific colors in the description box. I can't remember off the top of my head. But I'm just doing like a soft cut crease. Look at those eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and Put on some lashes. These are Ardell number 250, I believe. Gotta clean the nose ring. Take in MAC Chestnut with MAC Burnt Spice liquid lip. And then I top it off with e.l.f.'s lip lacquer and bubbles. And this is the final look, guys. Just love it. I've really been loving soft glam, so this is definitely a hit for me. All the products are going to be down below. I'm just going to set my face again with some Mario Badescu spray. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below if you would wear a look like this. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.